Skeeter Buckhorn bringing you a special news announcement. Please excuse the crudity of this video as this is a surprise video as I was on my way home from the gymnasium early this morning and do not have my camera crew or any special camera equipment. I am recording this on my telephone. We are here at the world famous Marseilles Hilltop Fire Pit leaning sign. Work crews are working vigorously to remove the sign as it has fallen even farther into a precarious, unsafe situation. The crews tell me that they will remove this sign today. It will hit the ground today. Hopefully we will be here to bring you that footage. A little history on the location here. This is the former location, I am told, from a local reliable-ish source. Former location of the Willie Schneebelhorn's Roadside Inn and restaurant, which of course was along the old Oregon Trail, former location of the Oregon Trail. Of course, people would stay here on their way from the East Coast to the West Coast, in search of a better life, a life of riches on the West Coast. So let's work crews here. Here they are. They're beginning more work. Let's see what happens here. So close. There we go. There we go. There we go.
And that's a wrap, folks.
Well, now we go on. Yeah!
Let's go congratulate him.
Well, there you have it, folks. She's on the ground. After many, many vigorous hours of hard work, she's gone. Have a good night.